Uh-oh, something's wrong. It looks like you need a serious adjustment. What's up, Home Slice? Lucas here. Today I'm going to cover 5 signs that you need to adjust your posture, make an adjustment before things get worse. I'm going to share with you how to identify them and some quick, simple exercises to help fix them. Pay attention, fix your posture. But you gotta focus. Number 1, the most common by far, postural imbalance. The head push forward, the nerd neck. So this is probably most definitely the most common postural deformity. I even suffer from this. What is this caused by? It's caused by, well, just trying to look in at something, relaxing in this state for too long, texting, gaming, watching TV. A whole host of things we do nowadays causes this problem. This is becoming more and more common throughout society today. If you have this problem like this, well, you might want to get this fixed because it can lead to neck problems, disc problems, looking strange problems, all sorts of problems. So how do we get started fixing this? Well, there's many things that can be imbalanced in this. A very simple way to just target it right at the spot. Stand up straight and then take your fingers, push your head back. It helps to stand up against the wall too. So if you're standing against the wall, try to make the back of your head touch the wall while looking straight, and then bring your chin in. Try to tuck your chin in. What this is gonna do is it's gonna help stretch out this top part right here where it's actually tight, and it's gonna also help stretch out and open up the chest. This little stretch right here can help target those areas, help open yourself back up. If you hold this for like 20 seconds, 3 times a day, you'll be seeing improvements in no time. A little bonus, don't wanna put any effort into anything in your life? Well, here's one that's easy for you that can help fix this problem. Just lay down on the ground. Just try to lay right down on the ground, lay down, flat out, try to relax, okay? Let your head touch, let everything just relax, laying on the hard ground. Fix that nerd neck, feel a lot better, prevent yourself from injury, look a lot better too. Moving on to number 2. Second super common postural imbalance I often see, knocked knees. So what's going on here? What's causing this problem? Well, just weak legs overall can cause this problem to happen. Flat feet can cause this to happen. Basically, not really being in athletic shape over time can cause this to happen. Now, if you are somewhat athletic and whatnot, having tight adductors, those are the muscles that bring your legs inwards, can cause your legs to rotate inwards and your knees to come together. Also, just relaxing and being too lazy in your stance too much can cause your calves to loosen up too much and your knees to fall forward for some individuals. Yo, how to fix this? Well, first of all, if you're someone who's not exercising or doing any of that, you know what? Just start exercising a little bit and try to do so with proper gait, proper posture, all right? Try to keep everything tight and straight. Now, if you're someone who's a little bit athletic, what's going on? You might have those tight adductors or those tight internal rotators as well. Well, you can stretch these out. Very easy way. Put this at the end of your workout. The butterfly stretch. That's straight up stretching out those adductors out. There's also other stretches like the side-to-side lateral lunge stretch for the internal adductors, the internal rotators, man. You gotta stretch those out. If those are tight, those can be causing your legs to bow in, your knees to be touching in the middle. You don't want that to happen. You can also strengthen your abductors, the muscles responsible for bringing your legs sideways. So do some side lateral leg raises or something like that, right? Strengthen those, loosen the internal ones. Well, we went with the knees knocking inwards. How about our feet ducking outwards? Duck feet, the duck walk. A lot of people have this nowadays. What causes this? Sitting down a lot, all right? You sit down a lot, you relax, your legs just bow out, right? Your feet get really used to being out like this. Your piriformis tightens up. What is that? That's an external rotator. What's that? Piriformis? Oh my gosh, all these weird words. Okay, basically just responsible for rotating your hips, okay? Rotating your legs, pointing your toes outwards. That's really tight, so it's always pointing your toes outward. How do we fix this? Well, just like before, if you're someone who's not into exercising and stuff, if you just start a simple exercise regimen, it can help balance everything out, okay? But if you are someone who, you know, moderately exercises or even just a little bit, and you're like, whoa, it's still just, I'm still ducking around everywhere. Well, then you wanna stretch out that piriformis, you wanna stretch out those abductors, muscles responsible for bringing your leg out and externally rotating your whole entire hip, which rotates your feet out. You want to stretch those out, and you want to strengthen your adductors, those responsible for bringing it inwards. Pay conscious attention to your ankles. Don't always just relax your feet and be lazy all the time. Just try to stand up with strength, basically. I mean, you don't have to stand there like this, like you're constipated all the time, but stand there with a purpose, put it that way. That leads me to number 4. This one's super common as well. Anterior pelvic tilt. Your butt's sticking out. Your back is arched, your butt is sticking out. What's going on here? Basically, you have a tight lower back, weak abdominals, and tight hip flexors. Exercising in an unbalanced exercise routine, just sitting strangely, a lot of things can cause this problem. So how to fix it, right? Stretch your hip flexors. That's probably the first thing you can do. Stretch those hip flexors, super easy. You can do just a lunging stretch, forward lunging stretch. Also, you can stretch out that lower back and strengthen your glutes. All this together can help bring your pelvis to a more neutral position, straightening your back out, preventing you from having any pain, problems associated with anterior pelvic tilt. Number 5, this one's common for us bros. I've got this problem, I'm seriously gonna admit it. I even can see it on me right now on the camera. The gorilla posture, all right? The shoulders rotating inward like this. What's this caused by? Bro, this is caused from having tight front delts, a tight chest, coming in forward like this. You know, you like to do bench press, you like to do push-ups, you like to, you know, punch people, but you're like, hey, screw back, all right? Who needs to do back? You know, it's all about it's all about the show, all right? We just do curls instead. So basically being too, like, you know, front dominant, okay? So your back muscles are basically really stretched out, your front muscles are really tight from using them a lot. How to fix this? Well, you want to stretch out some of these, add a little bit of, you know, stretching to the end of your training, no matter what you're doing. And then you want to strengthen these back muscles here, your posterior delts, the whole thing back there, all right? So do some more back exercises. If you're doing weights, you can do bent over rows, you can do sit down rows, your body weight, you could do pull-ups. Work the opposite muscles, work opposing muscles, all right? Avoid these imbalances. Now, I just wanna say before I conclude, there are a ton of different stretches and exercises that you can do to fix these imbalances, but in my opinion, the ones I did describe are the quickest, fastest to the point, the ones that basically you can just see by using common sense. So I hope those will help you all out, and if you still need help fixing some of these problems, I have further videos in depth on each of these specific imbalances. Also, you can just do a search term, how to fix these on Google. There's a ton of good resources out there. I am not a doctor, so this is not advice from a doctor. This is just me telling you what I did to fix these problems for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know about any other imbalances you guys think I missed or you think are extremely common as well. Some imbalances you see or you may have, let me know in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos coming out. Peace. You all have a good one. I'll see you all in the next video.